Hello and welcome to another episode of Meditation Mondays. As part of our weekly journey, we explore diverse meditation techniques, and today our compass points towards mindfulness. So let's embark on this voyage, immersing ourselves into the soothing world of mindfulness meditation. You may ask, what exactly is mindfulness meditation? It's a practice that involves paying full and non-judgmental attention to our present moment. Instead of getting caught up in past memories or future worries, we train ourselves to observe the here and now without criticism. The goal is simple yet profound, to cultivate a continuous state of awareness and presence, no matter where we are or what we're doing. In essence, mindfulness meditation invites us to become fully present in the here and now. The practice of mindfulness meditation brings about numerous benefits. It's like a gym workout for your mind, strengthening your mental muscles. It helps reduce stress, enabling you to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease. It sharpens your focus, making you more effective in your daily tasks. Additionally, it aids in emotional regulation, helping you respond rather than react to emotions. It also fosters a greater sense of calm and well-being. With regular practice, mindfulness meditation can truly transform your life. Yet, there are some common misconceptions about meditation. One is the belief that you need absolute silence to meditate. While a quiet environment can be helpful, it's not a must. The goal is to be present, regardless of the noise around you. Another misconception is that meditation means emptying your mind of thoughts. In reality, it's about observing thoughts without judgment, not eliminating them. So if your mind wanders during meditation, that's perfectly okay. Remember, meditation is about awareness, not about achieving a blank mind. Now let's guide you through a simple mindfulness meditation technique. Start by finding a comfortable position, sitting upright with a relaxed yet attentive posture. Place your hands on your knees or in your lap and gently close your eyes. Next, shift your focus to your breath. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly with each breath. The key is to observe, not control your breathing. When your mind begins to wander, as it inevitably will, recognize this without judgment. Simply acknowledge the thought or distraction, then gently bring your attention back to your breath. This cycle of noticing and returning is the heart of mindfulness meditation. Don't be discouraged by distractions. They're not failures, but opportunities to strengthen your mindfulness muscle. With patience and practice, this technique will help you cultivate a deeper sense of presence. Mindfulness, however, isn't confined to your meditation cushion. It's about bringing awareness to your daily activities. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee, commuting to work, or doing chores, you can engage in mindfulness. Observe your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Notice the taste of your coffee, the sensation of your breath, the rhythm of your steps. It's about being fully present and embracing each moment as it comes. Remember, every moment is an opportunity for mindfulness. Thank you for joining us on this journey into mindfulness meditation. We encourage you to practice this technique regularly. Share your experiences and any changes in your stress levels or overall well-being in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Meditation Mondays content. Until next time, keep being present.